Plant FAQs. Oxalis palmifrons, palmleaf false shamrock. What is Oxalis palmifrons? Oxalis palmifrons is a mesmerizing plant that captivates with its intricate palm-like leaves and delicate beauty. Originating from the Western Cape of South Africa, this rare succulent is a sight to behold in any garden or indoor space. With its unique appearance and relatively low maintenance requirements, Oxalis palmifrons has gained popularity among plant enthusiasts worldwide. See more 569 species in genus Oxalis at monsteraholic.com. Where to buy Oxalis palmifrons? Finding Oxalis palmifrons for your collection can be a thrilling adventure. While it may not be as commonly available as some other succulents, you can still purchase it from specialty nurseries, online plant shops, or through botanical enthusiasts who propagate and sell rare plants. Make sure to check the reputation of the seller and the quality of the plant before making a purchase to ensure you're getting a healthy specimen. How to grow Oxalis palmifrons. Growing Oxalis palmifrons successfully requires providing the right conditions that mimic its native habitat. This includes bright, indirect sunlight, well-draining soil, and occasional watering. It's essential to avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Additionally, maintaining moderate humidity levels can help promote healthy growth and prevent pests and diseases. How to plant Oxalis palmifrons seeds. Planting Oxalis palmifrons seeds is a rewarding way to propagate this stunning succulent. Start by preparing a well-draining potting mix and moistening it slightly. Sprinkle the seeds evenly on the surface of the soil and gently press them down. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, and place the pot in a warm, bright location. With patience and care, you'll soon see tiny seedlings emerge, ready to grow into mature plants. Is Oxalis palmifrons a succulent? Yes, Oxalis palmifrons is indeed a succulent. Like other succulents, it has adapted to store water in its leaves, allowing it to thrive in arid conditions. However, what sets Oxalis palmifrons apart is its distinctive foliage, resembling palm fronds, which adds an extra layer of uniqueness to its appeal. How to care for Oxalis palmifrons. Caring for Oxalis palmifrons is relatively straightforward but requires attention to its specific needs. In addition to providing ample sunlight and well-draining soil, it's essential to monitor watering carefully. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings to prevent the risk of root rot. Regularly inspect the plant for signs of pests or diseases and promptly address any issues that arise. How to propagate Oxalis palmifrons. Propagating Oxalis palmifrons can be done through various methods, including division, stem cuttings, or seeds. Division involves separating offsets or rhizomes from the parent plant and replanting them in their pots. Stem cuttings can be taken from healthy stems and rooted in soil or water. As mentioned earlier, seeds can also be sown to grow new plants. Whichever method you choose, ensure proper care and suitable conditions to encourage successful propagation. What to plant with Oxalis palmifrons. Pairing Oxalis palmifrons with complementary plants can create visually stunning displays in your garden or indoor space. Consider combining it with other succulents with contrasting textures and colors, such as echeveria, sedum, or aloe. You can also plant it alongside drought-tolerant perennials or ornamental grasses for added interest. Experiment with different combinations to find the perfect companions for your Oxalis palmifrons. Oxalis palmifrons is more than just a plant. It's a conversation starter, a statement piece, and a source of endless fascination. With its striking appearance and relatively easy care requirements, it's no wonder why so many plant lovers are drawn to this extraordinary succulent. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a novice gardener, adding Oxalis palmifrons to your green oasis is sure to bring joy and beauty for years to come.